love your vision of low-lying shrubs along this area, and also love the path. I would do wood chips. They're free, okay?
Perfect.
Tree service, arborist. They have to pay to dispose of them, so you might as well get some. So you get them dumped in the driveway, and you just move them in. Grass isn't going to grow here anyway. You could also just leave leaves here, but I think wood chips would look really nice as a path. So for low-lying shrubs, for really shady areas, I would do mountain. What's it called? I would do the Leucothoe, Doghobble. Okay, mountain Doghobble. In like groups. So like group it here. So that might look like 7, 8, 9, something like that. A little grove of them. You could also do, in the areas which get a drop more sun, I would do wild arborescens, hydrangea. Those are ecologically wonderful. Pollinators buzz all over those things. So then I would do another group here. This is the scale of this area is such that I think grouping things would be really nice. And you're not really over here. So yeah, I would do all shrubs, really no perennials. So like group of Doghobble, group of wild arborescens. You could even do some azaleas and whatnot. But if you wanted to do just the natives, I would just go all in on things like the Doghobble and the wild arborescens. You could also, I would introduce some ferns. Yeah, they're perennial, but they're also native and they'll spread all in here. That would be nice. What else could you do? Maple leaf viburnum. Those are cool. So those are like this high, or maybe no, actually they get to be like this
Are they
high.
low light or?
Yep, they're all shade. So that's another native. Also hobble bush, which is another viburnum, shade. So now we're talking. So like groups of these things. You could do the hobble bush behind the wild arborescens, for example, or behind the
and then
the Doghobble.
When I plant them,
Yeah.
I've never bought a bush or anything, so I don't know how they come.
Yeah.
Is it like do everyone like every 10 inches, or is it just more random? What's the spacing like?
Not random at all.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to look at the tag.
Okay, perfect.
So if something says it gets between 4 to 6 feet wide, that's usually a function of how much light it gets and possibly the soil quality for nutrients. So if something is, let's keep it easy, 5 feet wide, and you're trying to group things, you can plant them like 3 feet apart. Then they'll blend together.
Gotcha.
Okay? And then it's the same thing, like 8 feet, 6 feet, whatever. Have it so there's a little bit of overlapping. But you don't want to plant them 2 feet away, because then you're wasting your money.
Right.
You're wasting your money. You don't need all of that.
Perfect.
Okay?
Awesome.